Hot pressing procedure. The hot pressing procedure is carried out to ensure tight contact between the catalytic layers and the membrane, which is essential for the efficient operation of fuel cell. This process reduces electrical resistance, improves proton transfer, and stabilizes the structure of the membrane electrode assembly. In the previous video, we showed you how to spray the catalyst layer onto the gas diffusion layer, which contains a macroporous layer. The gas diffusion layer is gray, while the microporous layer is black due to the carbon nanoparticles and Teflon component. To see the difference between the microporous layer and the prepared electrode containing the catalyst layer on top of the microporous layer, we put them together. As you can see, the catalyst layer is more black. First, we assemble the membrane electrode assembly on aluminum substrate. We use clean alumina plates marked K and A for the cathode and anode respectively. There are also left and right position in the press. The assembly sequence is as follows. Place the cathode, 2 samples if you need to prepare 2 mass. Place the membrane on top of the cathode. It has been pre-activated and stored in deionized water. We cut off any membrane that folds over. This prevents unevenness during the pressing procedure, which can occur if several layers of membrane exceed the thickness of the layer. Place the anode. It is important that the catalytic layer of the anode and cathode are in direct contact with the membrane. Cover the assembled complex with a second aluminum plate. We then put this into the press. We use an air-cooled press designed to press 2 samples, each measuring 2.2 to 2.2 centimeters. According to the cell design recommended by the manufacturer, we perform hot pressing under specific temperature, pressure, and time parameters. Parameters: pressure 1 bar per square centimeter, temperature 125 degrees Celsius, dwell time 2 minutes. The system takes approximately 4-5 minutes to reach 125 degrees Celsius, followed by a 2 minutes dwell time. Cooling down to 40-45 degrees Celsius takes up to 1 hour. Once cooled, the press is opened and the membrane electrode assembly are ready for testing.